Ever wondered if you could build an app without writing a single line of code? And what if I told you that you could not only build it, but also make a decent side income from it? I'm talking about a potential $500 a month or more. You might be thinking, build an app. Me, I can't code. And that's the beautiful part. You don't have to. AppSheet is a no-code platform from Google that lets you create powerful mobile and web applications from data sources you're probably already familiar with, like Google Sheets, Excel, or Spreadsheet. Imagine turning a simple spreadsheet into a fully functional app that can run on any phone or computer. That's the magic of AppSheet. So, how does this translate into $500 a month? The opportunity lies in solving problems for small businesses. Think about all the local businesses in your area. The corner cafe, the local mechanic, the small construction company. Many of them are still using pen and paper, clunky spreadsheets, or a messy combination of different tools to manage their daily operations. They're tracking inventory, managing customer appointments, dispatching jobs, or conducting safety inspections in really inefficient ways. This is where you come in. You can become their go-to tech problem solver without needing to be a software developer. Let's break down a real-world scenario. Imagine a local landscaping company. They have a team of 5 people out in the field every day. The owner is constantly on the phone, trying to coordinate jobs, track which client sites have been serviced, get updates on material usage, and then manually create invoices at the end of the week. It's a logistical headache. You can approach them and say, "Hey, I can build a simple custom app for you that will streamline all of this." Using AppSheet, you can create an app where the owner can assign jobs directly to their team members' phones. The team can then see their daily schedule, navigate to job sites using built-in maps, and check off tasks as they complete them. They could even take before and after photos right within the app and have the customer sign off on the work digitally. All this information instantly syncs back to a central spreadsheet that the owner can see in real time. No more frantic phone calls, no more lost paperwork. The owner saves hours of administrative work, reduces errors, and gets a professional-looking system to manage their business. For a solution like this, a small business would gladly pay a setup fee and a monthly maintenance or subscription fee. Let's say you charge a one-time fee of $500 to build and customize the app. That's already your goal for the first month. Then you can charge a recurring fee of $50 to $100 a month for hosting, support, and minor updates. This recurring revenue is the key to building a stable side income. Now, imagine you get just 5 clients paying you $100 a month. That's $500 in passive income every single month. And the best part is, once the app is built, the maintenance is usually minimal. So, how do you get started? First, head over to AppSheet's website. It's appsheet.com. Sign in with your Google account and you can start for free. The best way to learn is by doing it. Don't be intimidated. Start with one of their sample apps or templates. They have templates for inventory management, project tracking, HR requests, all sorts of common business needs. Try to deconstruct one. Look at the data source, which is usually a Google Sheet, and see how the columns in the sheet relate to the views and features in the app. Let's walk through a super simple example right now. Let's create an employee directory app. First, open a new Google Sheet. Create a few columns: name, email, phone number, department, and maybe an image column. Fill in a few rows with some sample employee data. For the image column, you can just put the name of an image file for now, like John_Smith. JPG. Start with your own data and select the Google Sheet you just made. AppSheet will analyze your spreadsheet and, like magic, it will generate a basic, functional app in seconds. You'll see a list of your employees. You can tap on an employee to see their details. It's already working. From here, you start customizing. AppSheet has an intuitive editor. You can go to the UX section to change how the app looks and feels. Maybe you want to display your employees as a gallery of cards with their pictures instead of a simple list. You can do that with a few clicks. In the data section, you can define the type of data in each column. For the image column, you can set its type to image, and AppSheet will let you upload photos for each employee. You can also add actions. For example, you could create an action button that sends an email directly to the employee when you tap it. You don't write any code for this. You just use the action creator, choose Send an email, specify the recipient using the email column, and you're done. Spend a few weekends playing around with these features. Build a simple app for yourself first, maybe a personal expense tracker, a grocery list app, or a workout log. This one simple app solves a real business problem. After you successfully deliver this, you have a powerful case study. You can now approach other bakeries or similar businesses. When you're ready to approach cold clients, focus on the value you provide. Don't lead with "I can build you an AppSheet app." They don't know what AppSheet is. Instead, lead with their pain points. Ask questions. How do you currently manage your service appointments? Or what's the biggest challenge in tracking your inventory? Listen to their problems. Then, present your solution. I can build you a custom mobile app that your team can use on their phones to manage all of that. It will save you time and reduce mistakes. Would you be open to a quick 15-minute demo? As for pricing, don't undervalue yourself, but be reasonable to start. The $500 setup fee and $100 monthly plan is a good target. As you get more experienced and your apps become more complex, you can charge much more. There are AppSheet freelancers and agencies charging thousands of dollars for a single app and several $100s a month for support. The market for this is huge and underserved. Custom software development is expensive and out of reach for most small businesses. You are offering a bridge. You're providing a custom-tailored solution at a fraction of the cost of traditional development. You are a problem solver, a digital consultant. You don't need a computer science degree. You just need to be a good problem solver and be willing to learn. So, what are you waiting for? Go sign up for AppSheet, start building, and take the first step towards creating a new income stream for yourself. You have a valuable skill that businesses desperately need. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content on how to use no-code tools to build your skills and your income.